Good morning, friends. Today is 15th of February, and I'm going to discuss you how I have taken the trade and what was my logic behind the trade. Okay. So if you see yesterday market was a bullish market, right? Yeah, it was a bullish market, right? So what has happened today? Today market has gapped down a bit, and after that it has tried to come down. But if you see the size of the candles was not that big enough, okay, and started coming down, and at last you can see a very small candle was made and a reversal candle was made, right? So as per my logic, if yesterday was a bullish day, I expect a bullish day today also, right? Or at least after a fall I expect a decent pullback, right? And I go on long on that pullback. So actually this candle this candle was good candle to go long at the close of this candle, okay, but anyhow I have missed a trade over here. So I had entered the trade on this candle, which has given me again confirmation that, see, this was a good candle to enter over here, right? Keeping stop loss over here, a 10-point stop loss will get in options, right? So but I had missed a trade over here, and after I missed the trade I had seen this red candle, so again I have not initiated a trade. So after this green candle was made, it was a double confirmation that, okay, from here market has taken reversal. Okay, from here market had tried to sellers has tried to pull down the market, making a negative hammer candle, right? It is a negative hammer candle. But again in the next candle you see a green candle bigger than this candle is made. This indicates that the buyers are in control of the market and they are pushing the price up. Okay, so here I have entered a long trade, right? So here I have entered a long trade. I'll show you in options, right? So I bought a 17,800 option over here. See, this was 184.05, and I have taken a buy option. I have bought option when this high was crossed, right? So nearly at 185. See, I'll tell you at what price I entered. I entered at 185.4. This was my buy price, 185.4, right? But what has happened? Actually, as per my logic, I should have bought this at this price. Yeah, I should have bought this at this price, that is 180, right? 180.75. So if I bought it as 180.75, that was the right price to enter, then my target would have been 210.75, right? But as I bought 5 points higher, so that was near 185.4. Okay, so I got a target of 215. Here I got a target of 215.4. See, exact target of 30 points, but I was not able to book over here. So what I did, when it started coming down, I booked it because of the only reason that I have entered a trade bit late. Otherwise, if I would entered at the right time, I would have taken 30 points. But as I have entered a trade bit late, so once it has, see, actually I should have sold it at the high only, 215. As I was getting 215.4, I would have sold it at high, but I was not able to sell it over here. So while it was coming down, I sold it at 207.5. So I got a risk reward of nearly more than 2, right? But not 3. But I would have easily got 3, because if you see over here, after this candle also, I got a high of 219.2. The market made a high of 219.8 and 215.4. If I had have sold at 215.4, I would have got 3x, right? Okay, but it happens sometimes. If it touches your target and it reverts and it made a very negative candle, a negative hammer, again it has gone up. So it was good to sell it over there, because you can't sell it high, right? But I would have got I would have easily booked 3 when I would have bought it over here at 180. If I had bought it at 180, I would have easily booked over here this candle. 215 has went till 215.4. I easily booked at 210, right? So because of 5 points, I entered late. I was not able to do 3R. Okay. Now I'll tell you the concept of the trade. Why I have taken this trade. See, now if I go and watch over here, see, you'll find this candle. This candle, the volumes are high. The volumes are not decreasing, but the size of the candles are decreasing. What does it mean? That here the both buyer and seller are fighting, right? But if you see over here, with a less volume than this, right? If you find the size of the candle, the side of this candle is, I think even it is high is 185, 12 points, right? You see the size of the candle over here. It is nearly, no, this is 12 points. Okay. Low. Yeah, this is 12 points. and this candle is low is 78 and high is 903. So it is nearly 25 points, right? Here it is 12 points and here to more than twice, right? But the volume, you see the difference with this 151 and 180, it is not twice, it is just 50k less. Over if you see the volume over here, the volume over is 105 and here is 151. So if you see the price is more than double, right? Or it's nearly double, but the volume is just 1.5 times. So what you can expect, what you can say, the price of this candle, the movement of the price is candle is relatively, the movement of price of the candle is relative to the volume is less, right? Because in this case, if you see the relativity between this price and volume and this price and volume, here the rise of the price is more in less volume as compared to this, right? So this satisfies my price action, and I'll also same I'll see over here also, right? Here also, if you see this candle is a very small candle, is a very big candle. Okay, so here you get a buying confirmation on basically two three concepts. First, yesterday was a bullish day, so today there will be a retracement. The market is going to retrace. If it falls down, it has fallen down over here. This on the concept of what you call a price volume. Okay, so this was the right place to trade, but what has happened, I missed this trade. So after missing this trade over here, I found there a negative candle over here. Okay, and the next candle, it has engulfed near, it has nearly, it is nearly, if you again see with the concept of price and volume, this satisfies my buying criteria. So once this candle high was crossed, this candle high, this red candle high was crossed, I entered along, and I have exited after I have exited over here, because this yesterday close also acts as a resistance sometimes, right? So what happened, market has gone over here till here and it has made a negative candle, so I have exited somewhere here. Okay, I have originally got 3x, but I have entered a bit late, so I've just booked a 2 point, I think 2.3, 2.4 hour, right? So I think that I have explained the logic behind this trade. Okay, so if you have any queries, kindly ask in comments. Right? If you like this, if you like my video, request you to kindly like, subscribe, share, and do comment if any queries or any suggestions. Thank you.